with this. So there's two methods to doing this. One, the more difficult method is to go into a language that you're currently not set up on, such as Spanish right here. And as soon as you click it, start holding the power and home buttons, and your device will pretty much reset. And as soon as that happens, let go of the home button and keep holding the power button. Let go, and in a moment here, when my device restarts, we're going to get a very, very brief glimpse of the home screen. And it's really cool, really interesting little glitch. I mean, I like glitches of any sort, any nature, on any firmware, but this was cool. So there you go, just like that. You'll get a very, very brief glimpse of the home screen, and then it's gone. And there's another way, a much easier way to initiate this. So go ahead and go to another language you're not set up on. Triple click the home button to enable voiceover. Okay. And then select the language that you're not currently set up on. Double tap on it and start, spamming the power button. And eventually your device will reset just like that. And same method, you will actually see the home screen right there. I mean, for those people that like tinkering with things, take a look. Maybe you can discover something. Previously, there was a glitch where you would keep sliding and your device would just keep crashing over and over. Eventually, you'd get into the home screen. But that's not what this bypass is. I just wanted to share that with you guys to see if anyone could discover anything from that. But for those of you that want to get some functionality out of your device, media, videos, music, games even, there's a lot you can do. And you can see the information of the device, such as the version number. Let's go ahead and activate the DNS server bypass. So make sure you do have a SIM card in the phone. This will not work if you do not have a SIM card belonging to the carrier of the phone. It'll just not activate. So you guys want to go ahead and jump into the Wi-Fi settings. If you're further along, just go over here and click on Wi-Fi settings. But if you don't see the little I in the circle, go ahead and click home button and select more Wi-Fi settings. So right here, let's go ahead and go into the network. Now make sure it's not connected to. If you're connected to the network, you want to forget the network and then go into this little I once again, and we're going to type in a custom DNS. So depending on what area of the world you live in, there will be different DNSs to enter. Me, myself, I'm in the USA, so I'm going to put that one in, but you can really put any one in. It just works better for the one that's closer to you. Notice how there is one for the rest of the world. So if your country's not in there, go ahead and use that one. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the USA one, which is 104.154.51.7. Okay, so now you're going to click back and go ahead and click on your network, and we're going to put in the password belonging to that network. All right, I've got my network right there, so I'm going to go ahead and select join. If you get booted to this screen, go back. And in a moment here, we should see the captive portal. Now, in some cases, it won't pop up for some people, and there could be two reasons for that. One, you entered it incorrectly in the DNS server, and two, just try a different server. The server might be down. Try it from a different location of the world, but you guys should get this screen. And this is the bypass right here. So right here, you can see these servers that are currently up and running. So let me go ahead and walk you through what you can do in here. A lot of you guys know this, but it's really cool that features are always being added. Right here, you can actually use the flashlight from your device. So enter the camera, go ahead and select take photo or video, and it's black right now, but if you select the flash button, select on, there you go. You got a working flash from this thing right here, which is really cool. Now don't select done right here. That closes the entire captive portal. So before I get into any of the other features, I wanted to mention that when you guys actually close this, it's a little lengthy of a process to go back and redo this. You have to forget the network, delete the DNS, go back, start over, and then do the same process. So enter the DNS, then enter the password. So a long Wi-Fi password could make this more difficult. It is a little inconvenient. You do have to do a little bit more work than in the past, but it is worth it. I mean, who doesn't want to get more functionality out of their device? So in here is a chat where a lot of people will talk about the latest things they learn. There's actually some cool glitches I've learned from in here, but don't get scammed. A lot of people are selling their services in here as well. So back in the menu, and let me scroll down and show you guys that I am on iOS 9.1 first. That's how you do it. 9.1 right there. Really cool stuff. And if I go back, I want to show you some other features. And here's where you change the language, by the way. So in here, you guys can look at so many things. There's video, audio, applications, games, and they're all web-based, but they do work very well. So you can stream Netflix or even free movies if you guys are into pirating and stuff. But right here is YouTube, Vine. I mean, really, really cool. You can even get into Instagram and social media right here. So if you click on social right here, you have an option to log into many different things, which is really cool. And then there is music streaming right here. So you got